This is how to make the pipe ducting in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the line and click for any space in here. Then now we can make the simple ducting over there with the line in here. So this is about the surfaces of the simple surfaces of ducting. Then now we can make the line and we can click from the position and we can click in this position. Now we can make this one and make this one. Okay, then now we can make the 2-point arc. We can use the 2-point arc in here for any corner. Okay, now we can make the 2-point arc again for any corner. This is just for simple ducting. Then we can click the path in here, and then now we can select the follow me and then just click in here. Okay, so if we see the corner like this, so we can make it more larger. We can make it more larger. We can make. Okay, now we can erase. Okay, we can make the more length in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can make the 2-point arc again and make the 2-point arc. Okay, and select all again, and now we can select the follow me and just make this one. Okay, or maybe we can move the plane in here on the inside in here. Then now we can select this one and select to follow me and just make this one. Okay, just like this. Then now we can make the solid. This is the basic solid. Now we can select move, type control and just place. Now we can click and just offset it inside a little bit to make the thickness of the pipe ducting, and now we can click and erase the center plane. Okay, so now we can make this one. Okay, and make the position and make this one, and then now we can select the line path. Then now we can select the follow me and just place this one. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click and select make group. We can erase this one. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click and make group. So this is the difference between the simple ducting and this one is the solid 3D solid ducting. And now we can select the materials and select the metal, and we can select the metal materials in here. Okay, so this is the aluminum. This is the aluminum materials in here. Okay, and that's all.